bring in our guest to discuss this. Joining us now, National Trial Attorney Michael Jaafar is with us. And Michael Jaafar, I think it's easy for us to focus on the defense because the state seems to have such a strong case. So we're wondering, what is the defense going to do in this situation? And James Owens seemed to bring out things. I mean, he was even at one point able to get the pathologist on the stand to admit that it's possible being impaired from drinking made it difficult for him to use his hands while he was in the suitcase. And James Owens just almost casually said so he wouldn't have been able to open the suitcase on his own because of that impairment, getting in that insinuation to this jury that he had an opportunity to get out, but he had been drinking.
Yeah, I think he's doing a great job. I think the defense, I'm proud of my colleague for what he's doing, right? He took on this case essentially pro bono. I know she said she's going to pay him, but we all know she's not going to pay him. He's doing his case pro bono. He's doing a fantastic job. He hasn't even taken the case yet, the defense side, and his cross-examination has been very impactful. Also, last week when the witnesses came on, I kind of felt like the state was kind of laying the foundation for eventually the battered spouse defense. So I feel like this case could be going a lot worse for them. It's going pretty good. Sarah Boone, dude, she's on brand. I mean, I still think she should have taken the plea deal, but she's on brand. Her attorney seems to be towing the line, and they're attacking the prosecution's case. So far, so good. Early on, it's really early in the trial. A lot more trial to come. I still think that the state's case is, in my opinion, still overwhelming on the murder too. Definitely overwhelming on if they do a reduced charge to manslaughter. Like, I think that she's dead to rights on that. But, I mean, he's doing what he needs to do. Yeah, I didn't think about the fact that maybe Jorge Torres had a heart condition, and I didn't think about the fact that his level of inebriation would have contributed to him not being able to voluntarily open the suitcase. So, again, if I'm learning something, that means the jurors are also learning something. They haven't followed this case like us, but I'm sure they're thinking about this and taking note of the fact that, yeah, hey, he exactly was not a Boy Scout in this situation. Maybe he contributed to his own murder. Maybe it wasn't all her. So let's see what happens.